Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. Speak English channel. I am Emma, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our lovely friends watching and listening right now. I am Ethan, and I feel very relaxed today.
On Mrs. Speak English channel, we learn English in a slow, easy, and friendly way.
Yes, we talk like real friends. We speak simple English, and we enjoy the time together.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. It really means a lot.
Before we start, friends, please take a second to like this video.
And if you are new here, please subscribe to Mrs. Speak English channel.
You can also write a comment. We love reading your comments.
Yes, tell us where you are watching from. I always feel happy when I read that.
Okay, Emma, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about something very common and very useful.
Yes?
English conversation at a restaurant. Real life.
Oh, I like this topic. Many people feel nervous in restaurants.
Yes, that is true. Ordering food in English can feel scary.
But today, we will make it feel easy, like a friendly talk.
Exactly. No pressure. Just simple English, like real life.
So friends, imagine you are with us. We're going to a restaurant together.
Yes, you are sitting with us at the table.
Okay, Emma, where are we going today?
Let's say we are going to a small, cozy restaurant.
Oh, I like small restaurants. They feel warm.
Me too. Not too noisy, not too crowded.
Okay, we walk inside now.
Yes, I open the door. I can smell food already.
Me too. I feel hungry now.
A waiter comes to us and smiles.
The waiter says, "Hello, welcome."
And I smile back and say hello.
Simple. Just hello.
Yes, very simple. You don't need big words.
The waiter asks, "How many people?"
And I say, 2 people, please.
Friends, how many people are with you usually? 1, 2, family?
You can say 1 person, or 3 people, or 4 people.
Easy English. Very useful.
The waiter shows us a table.
We walk and sit down.
I sit here, you sit there.
The chairs are comfortable. That's nice.
Yes, I like comfortable chairs.
The waiter gives us menus.
I say thank you.
Always good to say thank you.
Yes, it sounds polite and kind.
I open the menu. There are many dishes.
Me too. I look at the menu slowly.
Sometimes menus are confusing.
Yes, many words, many foods.
Emma, what do you usually do when the menu is long?
I read slowly, and sometimes I ask questions.
That's good. Asking is okay.
Yes, no problem. The waiter is there to help.
Friends, do you like to read the menu fast or slow?
Take your time. There is no rush.
The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
I smile and say, just a moment, please.
Very useful sentence.
Yes, just a moment, please.
Or you can say, "Not yet."
Simple and clear.
The waiter says, "Okay," and waits.
I look at the menu again.
Emma, what food do you see?
I see pasta. I see soup. I see salad.
Oh, salad sounds nice.
Yes, but I want something warm today.
It's a little cold today, right?
Yes, a little cold. So maybe soup.
I like soup too. It feels comforting.
The waiter comes back again.
He asks, "Are you ready now?"
I say, yes, I am.
Okay, Emma, you order first.
Okay, I look at the waiter and say, I would like the chicken soup, please.
Very nice. Slow and clear.
Yes, I would like.
Friends, you can practice saying that with us.
I would like.
I would like.
The waiter writes it down.
He looks at me now.
What do you order, Ethan?
I say, I would like the vegetable pasta, please.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, I like vegetables.
The waiter asks, would you like something to drink?
Oh, drinks are important.
Yes, I feel thirsty.
I say, water, please.
Simple. Water is always good.
What about you, Emma?
I say, I would like some orange juice, please.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
The waiter says, okay, anything else?
I think for a moment.
Take your time.
I say, no, that's all, thank you.
Very polite.
The waiter smiles and says, your food will be ready soon.
And he walks away.
Now we wait.
Waiting time.
Yes, this is a good time to talk.
Friends, what do you usually talk about when you wait for food?
I talk about my day.
Or about work?
Or about family.
Emma, how was your day today?
My day was calm. I worked in the morning.
What did you do?
I wrote some emails. I drank tea.
Tea is nice.
Yes, then I went for a short walk.
Oh, that sounds good.
What about you, Ethan?
My day was busy. I had many meetings.
Oh, meetings can be tiring.
Yes, but now I'm relaxed here.
Restaurants are good for relaxing.
I agree.
The waiter comes back with our drinks.
He puts the water here.
And the orange juice here.
He says, here you are.
I say, thank you.
Always thank you.
Yes, it feels good.
I take a sip of water.
I drink my juice. It is cold and fresh.
That's nice.
Friends, what is your favorite drink at a restaurant?
Water, juice, soda, tea?
You can tell us in the comments.
We love to read them.
We wait a little more.
I look around the restaurant.
Me too. I see other people.
A family over there.
A couple over here.
Everyone looks happy.
Yes, eating together is nice.
The waiter comes back with our food.
Oh, here it comes.
He brings the soup first.
He puts it in front of me.
He brings the pasta.
He puts it in front of you.
The food smells great.
Yes, it smells delicious.
The waiter says, enjoy your meal.
I smile and say, thank you.
Okay, Emma, try the soup.
I take a spoon.
Slowly.
I taste it.
How is it?
It is warm and tasty.
That's good.
I feel happy.
I try my pasta.
And?
Very good. The vegetables are fresh.
I'm glad. Emma, do you like spicy food?
Not very spicy.
Me too. I like mild food.
Sometimes spicy food is too much for me.
Yes, same here. Friends, do you like spicy food or do you like mild food?
Tell us.
We eat slowly.
We talk while eating.
Emma, do you remember your first time eating at a restaurant in English?
Yes, I do.
How was it?
I was nervous.
Really?
Yes, I was afraid to speak.
What happened?
I spoke slowly. The waiter was kind.
That's nice.
I made small mistakes, but it was okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, that's how we learn.
Friends, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, even us.
Yes, even us.
We continue eating.
The soup makes me feel warm.
The pasta makes me feel full.
I eat the last spoon.
I eat the last bite.
I feel satisfied.
Me too.
The waiter comes back and asks, is everything okay?
I say, yes, everything is good. I say, the food is very nice.
The waiter smiles.
He says, I'm happy to hear that.
That was polite English.
Yes, compliments are nice.
They make people happy.
We sit and relax.
No rush.
Sometimes I like to sit after eating.
Me too. Just a few minutes.
Friends, do you like to leave fast or stay a little?
I like to stay a little.
Same here.
After some time, we ask for the bill.
Yes.
Yes.
The waiter comes near.
I say, excuse me.
Very useful.
Excuse me.
The waiter looks at us.
I say, can we have the bill, please?
Very clear. Yes.
The waiter says, sure.
He brings the bill.
I look at it.
I look too.
Everything looks fine.
We decide to split the bill.
Yes, we can say, let's split the bill.
Or separate bills, please.
Simple.
Today, we split it.
I say, can we split the bill, please?
The waiter says, of course.
He takes the bill.
He comes back with 2 bills.
I pay my part.
I pay my part.
I say, thank you.
I say, thank you very much.
The waiter says, have a nice day.
I say, you too.
That's friendly.
We stand up.
We take our things.
We walk to the door.
Before leaving, I look back.
Me too.
I say, bye.
I say, goodbye.
And we leave.
That was a nice meal.
Yes, very nice.
Friends, can you imagine yourself there?
Sitting with us.
Ordering food.
Speaking English.
Calm and confident.
You can do it.
Yes, you can.
Emma, I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too, Ethan.
Restaurants are a big part of daily life.
Yes, and English helps us connect.
Friends, think about your last restaurant visit.
What did you eat?
Who were you with?
How did you feel?
You can practice English in your mind.
Or speak out loud,
Practice is everywhere.
even at the table.
Yes.
Before we say goodbye, thank you again for being here.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it
Subscribe to Mrs. Speak English channel.
and leave a comment for us.
We are always happy to read them.
We will see you in the next video.
Take care, friends.
Bye-bye.